Welcome to this video on TypeScript habits. In this video, we will explore 8 habits to help you write safer, more readable, and maintainable TypeScript in your real-world project. Good TypeScript emphasizes precision over complexity. By adopting practical habits that avoid fighting the type system, you can replace manual casts and loose types with patterns that reflect your project's domain constraints. Let's start with our core philosophy, maintaining a clean and robust type architecture. Precision over complexity means favoring exact types and clear contracts. Avoid using any or manual casts. Instead, use tools like discriminated unions and utility types to ensure the compiler enforces correctness and exhaustiveness. Next, focus on real-world constraints. Design your types to mirror actual domain states. By preferring literal tags and using external data, you can stop fighting TypeScript and let it help you reduce maintenance costs. A key habit is avoiding loose types. Always use unknown for external inputs to preserve compiler checks, and narrow your data with type guards or validations before use to prevent runtime surprises. Now, let's look at some essential habits for your daily development workflow. Improve your code with unions and guards. Prefer discriminated unions over optional fields to represent distinct states. Use type predicates and exhaustiveness checks to ensure every possible case is handled, reducing potential runtime errors. For utilities and generics, use built-in tools like pick, omit, return type, and parameters to avoid duplicating types. Applying generics allows you to write type-safe functions that remain the single source of truth for your logic. Finally, manage literals and unknown data effectively. Use asconst and the satisfies operator to preserve literal types and maintain inference in your configurations. This is perfect for enums, theme maps, and configuration objects. In conclusion, by adopting these intention-driven habits, you shift from fighting the compiler to using it as a guardrail. This will significantly improve the maintainability and safety of your TypeScript projects.
Thank you for watching this video on TypeScript habits. If you'd like to dive deeper into these topics, please subscribe to our channel for more content.